I think clearly, Lenovo as an organization, if you look at our overall progress in this PC business to talk about first, I think globally we are the number one PC company, and if you look at the growth, we have grown significantly both in the consumer and the commercial business. Obviously, commercial has been our strength, which we call it as a protect part of our strategy, which in fact has been something which we started our business way back in 2005, and over a period of time we have gone and announced a new consumer business as well. So overall, we have done extremely well in PC, both in the consumer and commercial space, and obviously with the acquisition of EBG, the A System x86 business from IBM. I think we want to make a whole enterprise story even more stronger. So today we are talking about when we started as a company, we started as a PC company, but over a period of time we have actually diversified into various businesses, which includes obviously our smartphone business, tablet business, and as well as our System X server. So we want to, by way of this Enterprise Day today, we're obviously communicating a whole value proposition in terms of the whole portfolio of products, positioning ourselves more like a solution company than just being a mere supplier of products, where we're displaying the latest desktops from Lenovo, the latest multi-mode devices in terms of our notebooks, and obviously our state-of-the-art System X range of servers as well. So obviously we look at Indonesia as a market. Again, it's a super important market for Lenovo, both at the AP and worldwide. Given the demographics of this country, given that it's the fourth largest country in terms of population, growing middle class, and obviously with the way we are looking at the commercial business, I think especially on the enterprise business, we see a strong growth in this market, and we want to make sure that we have the right solutions, right products for us to be able to meet those market needs. So super important markets. Commercial is key focus for Lenovo as a strength. We want to obviously sustain our strength, and now we get into the enterprise business, which is even more exciting.